There were days when we had to wait hours for power just to draw some water. Sometimes there was no water for our crops or even for drinking.
In the heart of rural India, life revolves around water. Across vast stretches of rural land in the district of Mayurbhanj, the people who live here have always endured. But what they need, what they deserve, is water, not just for drinking, but for living, farming and many more. The solar system borewell, a deep underground hope, a quiet revolution rises with the sun. It's the sunlight that will bring it back. With kind financial support from Child Right Now International, Switzerland, we have installed solar-based borewell water project in 5 different villages where there was an utmost need of water. The solar-based borewell project harnesses clean, renewable solar energy to power water pumps, bringing water from underground to where it's needed most. Now changes can be visualized. Water flows consistently. Crops grow. Children go to school instead of spending hours collecting water. Women find relief from the daily burden of long walks to far-off water sources. Before this solar borewell, life was difficult. Every morning, I would walk for miles just to find water. Sometimes, I returned with an empty pot. My back ached. My feet burned. But we had no choice. Now, the water comes to us. I never thought I would see this in my lifetime. My grandchildren can go to school. I have time to rest, to live. In a world facing climate uncertainty, local solutions like this are beacons of resilience. Solar borewells are not just about water, they are about dignity, health, and opportunity. For millions of women across the developing world, access to water is the difference between survival and freedom. For deprived section of the district of Mayurbhanj, this project isn't just technology, it's transformation. Where once the land lay dry and desolate, now it flourishes. Powered by the sun, life has returned to these fields with hope, independence, and pride. The sun no longer just scorches this land, it sustains it. In every drop of water that now reaches these fields, there is dignity. There is resilience. There is life. The sun, once seen only as a source of heat, is now a source of hope. Solar power is lighting the way to a future where every drop counts and every village thrives. Thanks to the collaborative efforts by donors of Child Right Now International, support of local governments, and sustainable technology. Your kind support of 5 numbers of such borewells are changing the landscape, one village at a time. This is not just a water project. It's a movement, a beginning, and it's only just begun. Join the movement. Support sustainable water solutions. Thanks to one and all.